What's up, Seek? What's up, Matt? Nice to see you guys again, dude. Let's fucking go. My thirst trap. What the fuck? Bro, you might wanna do a quick workout today. Rain might be coming your way. Well, I mean, it's already rained though. I don't know, but it stopped now. I don't know, it's gonna come again. I don't know. I was planning to work out through it, man. I don't know. I don't give a fuck. Bro, but actually though, workout in rain and stream is kind of aura, man. I want it to happen though.
A few moments later.
Oh man, it's raining again, bro. Bro, 6.5. Holy shit, man. Oh man, this is so bad, bro. Can you see the rain in stream? It's fucking raining again, man. Man, this fucking rain, dude. Can you hear me though? The rain is so heavy. Okay, bro. This fucking rain cannot stop me, dude. I don't give a fuck.
This fucking rain cannot stop me, dude. I don't give a fuck.
A few minutes later.
Oh shit, I'm back, I guess. My phone just restarted by itself, man. Dude, that's fucking crazy. Alright, man. Thank you, Six, for being here, bro. Thanks for joining my stream again.
Workout in rain and stream is kinda aura, man.